is it?
See, like I said earlier also, we are campaigning on development and what we've accomplished for the city of Panjim. Based on that, I think we deserve all 30 seats in the sense that the level of development we've got, all the issues that we've resolved. We've done a lot in these 5 years. So like I said, I'm hoping that the people of Panjim see all of the work that we've done and vote accordingly. Okay?
Rohit, one more thing. Today how this payment is Mr. Babu is not
No, he's just not feeling well. Nothing. No problem. No, that's the only reason.
Rohit,
He's just not feeling a little well.
One side there is Amit Ponjekar and one side is your panel, which you are leading. So how would you react on that?
No, see, like I said also, I just want to wish them the best and luck. Suren, as all of you know, has accomplished a lot during his career. If you'll ask him what exactly also, I'm sure he's told you like 100 times also. Now, again, see, everyone has good candidates on both sides also. It's going to be a tough competition. We're not taking anybody lightly. Like I said, whoever the candidate is also. And I just want to say best of luck to all of them.
One thing is that there is no doubt once your panel gets selected, that you will be the mayor again. So how would you react on that?
No, see, it's nothing like that. Okay? So the party will sit and they'll decide. There are a lot of, like Uday had said, there are a lot of mayors that are present also, I think ex-mayors also. So the party will decide and see who's the best candidate for the thing. So they will decide accordingly.
सुरेन म्हणटा की त्याच्या वॉर्डान तुम्ही तेका सपोर्ट करू ना म्हणून कामां करपाक सो ताणें पर्सनल आपले हे लावन तेजेर कामां केली म्हणटा त्याच्या वॉर्डान
No, see, not so
Suren's ward.
like we have done whatever we've done. See, if you ask anybody in the ward, it's not like no work was done. The work was perfectly done in his ward. Now Suren has slept for 5 years and he wakes up only during election time also. So any candidate who's in opposition will say the same thing also, no? Because they have been capable of doing anything.
In the last 5 years, if you go to see smart city issues have been worrying about you because you have faced major of criticism from others, maybe other political leaders. How do you feel all these things and how is the present position of the smart city works?
See, there were issues regarding to smart city also. I'm not saying that. The thing is that whenever people needed the help and everything, we were on the ground. Right? We made sure that the majority of the issues were solved. Like I said, Mala used to flood every day for 15 years and this is the one, I mean ever since the project got completed, we were there I think before the project launched also in the night with Badami and all. And that was I think the first time even during heavy rain that Mala did not flood. So our projects have brought relief to the population of Panjim. So everything that we've done is very evident for people to see also.
And in the last 5 years, the mayor, what are the things that you would like to take forward in these elections that you have done best or achieved best for the city?
See, as of now, it is just a continuation of everything that we're currently working on, right? What I want to do basically is we want to build up that pride in Panjim and that sense of community. That is personally what I am looking forward to do. Apart from that, our regular work continues, right? They have not... See, the municipality, no, at least my belief is that the municipality should always be in the background. People should wake up, their city should be clean, they should not have any issues. We have not raised taxes in the past 5 years. We have cut costs throughout the municipality. We have done savings throughout the municipality. We have not burdened anybody additionally. You know, that is something that I take immense pride in also, right? Because we have tried to help the people wherever we can and we will continue that going forward.
Are you happy with the smart city work right now? Are you happy with the smart city work?
So far, there is no issue with any of their things also. See, Baba, I remember when Smart City was going on, especially during those roads next to 18th June Road, everybody criticized. But today, 18th June Road has not flooded. It didn't flood yesterday and it didn't flood the year after that. So the work that has happened